Good afternoon, Miss and friends. Welcome to our presentation. I am Nicodemus Pramudia.
I am Yohanes Baptist Jimmy Carter.
And I, Rafael Marcelino Casiu.
And I am Alexander Aldianov Baskar.
I am Dominicus Dikar.
On this occasion, we will present a paper entitled Green Architecture, a Concept of Sustainability.
Okay. Sustainability is a word taken from English, namely sustain, which means sustainable, and ability, which means ability. So the word sustainability can also mean sustainability in Indonesia in the ecological context itself. Sustainability means that biological systems are still able to support unlimited biodiversity and productivity. Okay, next. Sustainability is concept therefore a complex subject. It is of vital importance to all because it deals with the survival of human species and almost every living creature on the planet. Sustainable and eco-friendly architecture is one of the main aims that humans for creating a better life have made as the ultimate model for all the activities. Next. Okay. Green architecture defines an understanding of environment-friendly architecture. First, ventilation system designed for efficient heating and cooling. So, energy efficient lighting and appliance. 3. Weather-saving plumbing fixture. 4. Landscape plan to maximize efficient solar energy. 5. Minimal harm to the natural habitat. Next, alternate power sources as solar power or wind power. Next, non-system, non-toxic material. Next, local obtain wood and stone. Next, responsibility, harvest wood. Next, adaptive resort of older buildings. Next, use of resale architectural self-effect. Next, efficient use of specs. Okay. In order to achieve the stipulate aim, the study present in this paper test the following step. Number 1, general overview on applying green architecture as a concept of sustainability. Number 2, defining consideration for green building. Number 3, defining the benefit of applying criteria for green building strategies that could maximize energy efficient and indoor air quality. Number 4, describe case study potential in terms of green building aspect. Okay, next.
The next one is the consideration of green buildings. Basically, in green building itself, it is also necessary to consider several aspects. There are 4 of these aspects in the paper that we discuss, namely site development, material selection and minimization, energy efficiency, and indoor air quality. For the first one, namely consideration in the location, it's very necessary to reduce the negative impact on the natural environment around the building site. When the building maximizes natural lighting and ventilation, it can reduce the use of artificial lighting and ventilation, which can have a negative impact on surrounding building. The second is selection and saving of material that aim to reduce adverse impacts on the environment, such as waste pollution from extensive development. The third is designing with the aim of saving energy in order to increase workspace efficiency and reduce operating costs. The last thing is the need to pay attention to the level of indoor air quality. This needs to be considered to improve the quality of health and productivity of the building users.
Okay, next, I want to explain about the principle of green building design. Next. The green building design process begins with an intimate understanding of the site in all its. An ecological approach to design aims to integrate the system being introduced with ecological function performed by Mother Nature. And this information support the use of the USGBC LEED Green Building Rating System, but focus on principle and specific solution or technology, which are often site specific and will vary from project. Next. Water system. Water, often called the source of life, can be captured, stored, filtered, and reused. It provides valuable research to be celebrated in the process of green building design. According to Art Ludwig Incred, out of greywater, only about 6% of the water we use is for drinking. There is no need table water for irrigation or sewage. Natural building involve a range of building system and material that place major emphasis on sustainability. Way of achieving sustainability through natural building focus on durability and processed, plentiful or renewable resource, as well as those labor, more than technology. The basis of natural building is the need to lessen the environmental impact of building and others without sacrificing comfort or health. To be more sustainable, natural building use primarily available, renewable, reuse and or recycle material. The use of rapidly renewable material is increased. And passive solar design. Passive solar design refers to the sun's energy for the heating and cooling of living space. Passive solar, the building itself or some element of it takes advantage of natural energy characteristics in its materials to radiate the heat created by exposure of the sun. Passive systems are simple, have, have few moving parts and require minimal maintenance and can decrease or even eliminate. And next, green building material. Green building material are generally composed of renewable than non-renewable resources and are environmentally responsible because their impacts are considered the product. In addition, green building material generally result in reduced maintenance over the life of the building, conserve energy, and improve occupant health and productivity. Green building material can be selected by evaluating characteristics such as reuse and recycle content. Next. Next one is living architecture. The environment like our bodies and can metabolize and wash. Living architecture focus on this process, integrating ecological function into the building to catch water, purify air, and process other nutrients. Living architecture also address the document health benefit associated with being in touch with living system in the built environment. Uh, for example, green roof uh, green roof have two types. Types one is intensive roof and types two roof. And the last one is green walls. Also known as vertical greenery is actually introduced plants onto the building facade. Comparing to green roof, green walls can cover more exposed hard surface when where skyscrapers are the predominant building style.
Green building benefits. Green building is not a simple development trend. It is an approach to building suite to the demands of its time, whose relevance and importance will only continue to increase. The first one, comfort. Providing natural openings in buildings. Because a well-designed passive solar home or building is highly energy efficient, it's free of draft. The second, economy. Economy save more expensive. If addressed at the design stage, passive solar construction doesn't have to cost more than conventional construction. Third, aesthetic. Make the interior more attractive. Passive solar can have a conventional appearance on the outside, and passive solar features make them bright and vision inside. In the next, environmentally, passive solar homes can significantly cut use of heating fuel and electricity use for lighting. Passive solar homes can significantly, if passive cooling strategies are used in the design. Next.
Case study. The study area has a typical Mediterranean climate. Rain falls mainly during the colder season from autumn to spring. Local indigenous knowledge, investigation of existing housing units within the study area show a combination of original architectural elements leading to a much more efficient building in terms of adaptation. But here the comfort offered by better air like private security and tranquility, providing shade in almost universal desert property in human housing. Roof protect from the heat impact of the sun and reduce of permeability of water that falls from rain in winter. Narrow opening to prevent the entry of heat during the day to the inside. Next, housing prototype suggestion. The study produced prototype referred to as typical housing prototype. Courtyard design, the central courtyard of the rooms served for collection and occupant interaction has well as pressure cooling, thermal mass, high mass, wall area cool in cool night time, temperature in turn the walls to cool the occupants during the day. An energy system consisting of biogas, photovoltaic panel, and solar water heater. Next,
And now this is conclusion. Green architecture is an architectural concept that seeks to have a positive influence on nature and the human environment and to produce a better and healthier place, which is done by utilizing energy source and natural resources efficiently and optimally, so creating a more comfortable and diverse environment. The form of material and building as we have explained on this occasion. Okay, thank you for the attention.